2021 to 2024 Toyota RAV4 rear seat USB port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you how to replace this rear USB port right here. The way we do it is we remove this panel that it's sitting inside of right here. It's not that big a deal. Get yourself a small plastic pry bar like this. I'll link one below, and then if you have a tiny little flathead, this will come in handy as well. We need to move the mat on the bottom out of the way so the panel can come off. So let's go and just kind of get this mat moved out the way, like that. Alright, now we're going to take this here, and in between the panel and the center console, there's like a little gap you can get this in. You kind of want to get this in and kind of wiggle it and then pull the panel outwards. Hopefully don't do it as hard as that. Usually they don't come off that hard. Usually you can just work your way around and they'll pop out like one clip by one clip. But this one came off like this, and then don't lose the little red pieces. Take your small flathead or whatever you got to push down the center button on the connector and just push the connector backwards. That'll disconnect the USB. And then when you get this out of the panel right here, there's four clips on, there's two clips on the top and bottom. So they're right here and right here. You just got to compress these little locking tabs and then push it forward out of the panel. It should come out like this. It's kind of tough. You got to do it at the same time. Here's the part number, 85532-60020. This is not on Amazon right now. You can only get it right now at a Toyota parts dealer website. I'll link it below. But then when it becomes available on Amazon or eBay or wherever, Walmart, I will link the links then. I'll periodically update the links, so check below, see what they got. So when you get your new one, you're just going to take it and then push it into the panel. Here's the panel part number. In case your panel broke or anything, you could just order the panel. Be sure not to lose these red clips. And then put this USB port into the panel. Make sure it's the same orientation as it was when you took it out. Basically with like the lids opening from the bottom, just push it through. Careful not to lose it. And then we're gonna take this, plug it in like that, and then we'll line this panel up carefully and then just gently kind of push this guy into place. Don't like rage shove this in because you could break the tabs and then it won't sit right. But yeah, just go and get this lined up like that, push it in, and then that's it. You just got to fix your mat. That's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.